Okay, we're back out with this little guy. I did a little bit of a rebuild on it. The vertical tails were kind of, warping to the middle, so I put a little reinforcement in there, some extra glue, redid the hatch, glued some stuff. Oh, there's still a pin in there, look at that. Re-glued some stuff. And I just wanted to give it a test flight to make sure the balance is right. I also redid the position of the battery. Now it's kind of flattened in there, as you can see, as opposed to vertical. It was kind of flopping around a bit much, but I think the balance should be okay. A little more wind than I anticipated, but the balance looks fine. Whee! And it's flying good. Even with any kind of wind on this, I've flown this in some hairy stuff, way more than it was ever meant to, or it seemed like it should, and it flew really nice. And that's why I kind of deserved the, the rebuild and the spruce up. Almost lost it there. But it's a cool little design. Good for little spaces. Whew. Oh, that was cool. Well, not that cool, but as I mentioned before in some earlier videos, these little ZTW speed controllers seem to desync with the higher kV little micro motors, and usually this one stops, but I came in a little hot, and the prop did a little windmilling, and it wouldn't start back up again there. But generally, I'll stop it now. The prop stopped. And you can just get right back on and it'll go. But if it windmills, you usually got a little bit of an issue. This plane doesn't really do it that much because it's a prop and slot, and I think the airflow gets blocked a little bit, and the prop has more of a chance to stop. See, I'm gliding it now, and it's stopped, so we can just start it right back up. That was the first time I think I've experienced it on this. I have it on a similar lightweight, that pink plank. That pink plank has a front-mounted prop, and it's actually a little bit of a heavier prop. It's like a 4x4 mini quad prop, and that thing windmills a lot. And I have to fly that plane with the throttle on to not let the prop stop. I'm going to just replace it on that one though, so it doesn't make a difference. What's that for a low pass? Yeah, low slow. Yeah, 30 seconds, I'm gonna bring it in. All right, little Cannard Delta there, rebuild, and good flight. Thanks for watching.